or on the walkway.
Oh, art in the open.
Yeah, art in the open. All right, so it's been a while since I've done a video. Pulled out the old GoPro. Got a new helmet mount for my helmet. So
What brand?
featuring this what brand?
What brand? You gotta say the brand.
Oh, this is the Fenner helmet, man. $300.
Nice.
Worth every penny.
The shield.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So,
Which is good in the summer.
but it's hard to get a bracket on. Anyway, working here with Tony and Larkin.
Hot Legs Tony.
Hot Legs Tony
Tony down there.
and Larkin. So this is the tree. Yeah, we're gonna drop the limbs, pop the top on the limbs, and then negative rig the rest down. That's it. Anything to add?
Oh, it's gonna be 95 degrees today. Humidity is like pretty serious humidity. Already feels like we're in a sauna. And,
We have 3 gallons of water, and
steam
Larkin
room.
said it's not going to be enough, so he's probably right. All right. I can just pull it up now. Thanks. So we're pruning this, what is it, a red oak, and we're taking some branches off the house from over the chimney and just dead wooding and taking all the suckers or epicuric things off.
The weather today is it's 88 degrees, but very
Yeah.
dry, a lot better than the last
Yeah,
job.
yeah, Monday, man, we were just like dropping over. It was just so hot.
Yeah.
Couldn't get enough water. All right. So I'd say, like, don't let this run. Yeah. Oh, it's everything else.